Spa is a full-service medical spa that aims to help their patients feel 100% comfortable in their skin and ultimately thrive.
QWO is an actual injectable treatment for cellulite. It is the first of its kind. Now, the substance that they use, it's a liquid. We inject it into the area. With cellulite, you have these bands of tissue that pull the skin down like this, right? And that causes the dimples there. Now, fat doesn't cause cellulite, but it can make it look a little bit worse and kind of sort of magnify it by kind of bunching up between these dimples like this. So what the product QWO does is it helps to dissolve these little bands of tissue. And you can see once you dissolve these bands and it releases these dimples can all come up. So it's a very quick, easy procedure. It's virtually painless at the time. Very, very small needles that we use. And so people really don't feel much. They get some bruising afterwards, but then over the course of the next few weeks, the QWO actually breaks down those little bands and then those dimples will come up. It's a well-proven therapy. It's been used for years in medicine. This is just a new application of the same technology, basically. So the first thing we need to do is a consultation. We have to do an in-person consultation for the QWO because we have to take a really good look at you and see if you're actually a candidate. Not everybody is a candidate. A lot of people will mistake laxity in their skin for cellulite. Cellulite is really the true dimples caused by those fibers pulling that skin down. Cellulite is more like a dimple. With the laxity, it's more usually like lines going across. We can treat both, but QWO is only appropriate for the dimples. If you are a candidate and you are ready to move forward, then we can actually do the treatment on the same day. It's a very quick treatment, literally like 15 minutes of treatment. It's virtually painless. I've had a few staff members do it and they all said that it was like nothing. Now the recovery, honestly, maybe a little bit of discomfort for a day or two, but nothing horrible. And then it really just some bruising, and that bruising resolves in a couple of weeks. We want to do the next treatment about 8 weeks afterwards. It'll be a series of them. During the initial consultation, we can oftentimes tell you how many you're going to need. Rarely somebody will come in and they're only going to need 1 treatment, but most of the time 2 or 3 treatments. As soon as the bruising resolves, you'll start to notice that it's much more smooth. If you'd like to get more information about QWO or about the Pixelate RF or any of our other body treatments or facial treatments, you can find us on the web at thrivemedspa.com. We're on Instagram, it's at Scott Sanderson MD, or you can find us on Facebook, or you can call 523-5483, or you can text 201-2927.
Brought to you by Thrive Med Spa.